Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on how to enable Facebook dark mode. For you to enable Facebook dark mode in your mobile app, all you need to do is, once you have the Facebook mobile app in your phone, make sure the app is updated. You log into your Facebook account, you click on the gear button at the down right corner. Then you scroll down and move to settings and privacy. You click on settings. You scroll down. You click on dark mode. As you can see, mine is currently on system. It's currently on system and is on dark mode because my mobile phone system is set for dark mode. So that is why my Facebook is currently on dark mode. But if your system is not on dark mode, this way your Facebook will be showing on light mode. So mine is currently on dark mode, that is why it's showing this way. So for you to on your Facebook dark mode, as you can see, you can turn it on here. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it off. Can bring it back to system. So that's it. Mine is currently on system because I enabled it from my system. So that's it, guys, on how to enable Facebook dark mode. I hope this video has been of great help to you. If yes, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be getting more and more interesting videos from this channel. See you guys in our next video.